Hey guys, in this video, we're going to review PiHole. PiHole is a powerful open source tool that acts as a network-wide ad blocker by intercepting DNS requests. Instead of blocking ads in individual browsers or apps, PiHole stops them at the source by filtering DNS queries for your entire home or office network. It runs smoothly on devices like Raspberry Pi, Docker containers, or even on a virtual machine. Once installed, PiHole uses extensive block lists to prevent ads, trackers, and even malware domains from loading, making your internet faster, safer, and more private. It provides a clean and informative web interface where you can view analytics like top block domains, query types, and device activity. You can also manually block or allow domains, making it highly customizable. Users find PiHole particularly useful for improving experiences on devices where traditional ad blockers don't work, like smart TVs or mobile apps. While it's free to use, donations help support its development. However, it does require some initial setup knowledge, basic networking, understanding how DNS works, and how to route devices through your PiHole server. Despite the learning curve, PiHole is widely praised in tech communities for its reliability and effectiveness, especially for users who value privacy and control over their internet experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.